Hello, my dear friends. Hope you all are doing great. I'm also bright and shiny. Today, I came back in front of you to say something, but I have intention every day that I will improve my spoken English. That's why I make video. Okay, but right now I would like to share with you how what I did since morning. Okay, after getting up early in the morning, I try to go outside to walking. Okay, after from walking I cooked myself. Okay, because after few minutes I will go to my college. That's why before going I had to cook, because every day I cook. Without cooking, no one that he will cook for me. That's why I cooked for myself. And every day I go to my college and I enjoy with my friends to attend the class. Okay, and if I go to college every day, it will make our relationship with my friends in best way. Okay, my some friends always helpful. If I miss any kind of class, they always give me suggestion what taught the teacher in the class. Okay, and also today I will go, and before uh, Thursday I didn't go, so that's why I couldn't know what taught the teacher. So that's why our my friends he sent me the study. Okay, that's why I became able to study. Okay, and after few days my exam will be start. That's why I am taking preparation to take my exam, and I hope I will do well in the exam. Okay, so I am talking about that for spoken English, to improve my spoken English. Okay, and today I mentioned you that I cooked long yard. Okay, you know about that. Long yard, it means borboti in Bangla. Okay, so but in weekly most of the time I try to have vegetables, but 15 days or 20 days I have meat or chicken. But I know that monthly one, two or three time, if you have meat or meat, it will better. Okay, more than it's not good for your body, so I maintain it. Okay, so and also every day I have to go outside with my friends in the afternoon time. Every day we enjoy our quality time with my friends. Okay, okay, it's right now it's going on time to go to my college. Okay, and so I will go to my college, and right now I will have my breakfast, then I will go. Okay, and you can comment, because how do you practice your spoken English, and you can inform me so that I can improve my spoken English, and how can I practice every day. You can comment. Okay, I will come again in front of you. Till then, goodbye.